Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Oaks and Company. I wanted to start this video off by making a yummy fall meal. And I say fall meal, it could be any time meal, but this one's really easy. As most of you know, I work full-time, and so my Insta Pot is like my complete and utter best friend. So this is a good Insta Pot meal that you can put in whenever you get home from work and then like do some other things and then come back and have a yummy meal. So what it takes is, we're gonna be making Mississippi pot roast. I forgot to say that. So it takes a pot roast, and you want one that has like some good marbling in it. So a chuck pot roast, some potatoes, some ranch and au jus mix, and some pepperocinis, and also some carrots, which I'll get out of the refrigerator in just a minute. My husband does not like cooked carrots at all, so whenever I put them in, I kind of put them over to the side. I may not even put them in because he doesn't like them that much. Anyway, so hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do, make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button and share all my videos with your friends. And I will have the recipe linked down below in the description box for you.
forgot to add at the front of this video that you need about a half a cup of water and also a full stick of butter. So don't forget those two ingredients because they're super important. I normally cook this about 90 minutes, and that seems to really cook it very well to where the roast completely falls apart. I've been wanting to get rid of this collage wall for quite a while. I just feel it like looks cluttered and takes up the wall to where it makes the wall look a lot smaller, and so I just haven't been a fan. I just haven't found anything that I want to put up there till recently. The piece that I got to put up there, I got at Hobby Lobby, and I fell in love with it, but you know, it was quite expensive, so I finally got it on a half off sale. And you couldn't order it online, it was in-store only, so I finally found one that was in-store and half off, so I was super excited about that. I'm thinking about adding some very large candle holders on the side, or maybe some of those, I don't know, hanging baskets that hold greenery on each side. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, or if I should just leave it like it is. I really like the uncluttered look of it and how it made the wall look so much bigger and open and taller. I feel like you can see how tall my ceilings actually are. Y'all, it is finally dinner time. I was so excited because I was starving, and it was about 7:30, so I hadn't eaten since my lunch break at noon, so I was pretty hungry, and this was smelling super yummy. Oh my goodness. And as you can see, it just like falls apart. I cut it with a butter knife, so it is just a great recipe to make on a weeknight whenever you have to work. And I mean, it took 90 minutes to cook it versus, 6 to 8 hours in a crock pot all day that you can't check if you're at work all day long. So definitely try this recipe out. hope that you're having a really great week. Remember that you don't have to be perfect, and having a bad day is okay. It's okay to have a bad day or a bad week. Just try to make some progress because small steps matter. Any progress is some progress. So just keep trucking along with your head up and just keep going. Just show up and keep going. Thank y'all so much for watching my video today. Please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button and share my video with your friends. And I want to say thank you to all my recent subscribers. I really appreciate all the support that y'all are giving me on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. If you need prayer this week, please make sure that you comment prayers please in the comments down below, and I would be honored to pray for you this week. See y'all next time. Bye.